Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making garlic knots. If you are a garlic fan, you are going to love this recipe. So let's start the recipe, but before that, if you are new here, welcome. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and do subscribe. Here I have 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of lukewarm milk. In that I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of active dry yeast. Give it a quick mix. Now if you don't eat yeast, check out my Ladhi Pav recipe. I'll put the link in the description box below or you can click above. Now let it rest for 10 minutes. Now it's time for our dry ingredients. I'm taking 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Do not add salt at this moment. Sometimes salt may deactivate the yeast, which we do not want, so I would suggest not to add it before adding yeast mixture. After 10 minutes, add the yeast mixture to the flour and mix it. Now you have to add half teaspoon of salt. Now mix all the ingredients very well and make a soft dough. At this time, your dough will be very sticky, so do not worry about that. Put some flour on your bench and transfer the dough. Knead the dough for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of melted butter to it. You can also add clarified butter or ghee to it. Mix the butter with the dough by folding it multiple times. This will make the process easier. Now you have to knead the dough for at least 10 minutes or until it stops sticking. Stretch the dough in between and knead it. Now after kneading it, keep this dough in a greased bowl which should be big in size because our dough is going to double in size. Cover the bowl with a lid or a cling wrap and keep this bowl at a warm place for at least 1.5 hours. After an hour and a half, my dough has doubled in size. I am going to punch it and transfer it on my bench. Now I am dividing my dough into smaller pieces. Roll each portion of the dough like a long cylinder. Now tie a knot and tuck both the ends underneath the knot. Repeat the process for all the dough portions. From this quantity of the dough, you will be able to make about 20 to 25 knots. Now cover them and let them rest for 20 minutes. I'm making garlic seasoning. I'm taking 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh garlic, some salt and oregano. You can also add black pepper powder according to your taste. Mix it well and keep it aside. After 20 minutes, brush all the knots with the butter and garlic mixture and bake them in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Our garlic knots are ready. I hope you like this recipe. If you have any doubt about the recipe, do let me know in the comment section. Do like and share this recipe and hit the bell icon for more wonderful recipes. Thank you for watching. See you next time.